So, hi guys, and today I'm going to be reviewing this piece of equipment, and it's called a sound machine. This thing just has just the coolest sound effects on this thing, and let's get started. This first one is applause. Second one is laughing. This is, I don't remember when this one made. Then gets the wah, 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 wah. I was right. Ow. Yep, that's the sound that one makes. And falling bomb. And a gun shooting, and a glass breaking sound, pretty loud for just a little machine. Money. Drum roll, please. Okay, next is music. Next is a spring. Next is... I have an idea. Next is a whistle. Next is a scream. Next is a... Ugh, so stinky. Oh, that's so loud. Then last but not least, here's a... Oh, I think I ate too much today. Again. Ugh. Oh, it happened to me again. 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 Okay, getting annoying now. Bye, everybody. Bye, everybody. This thing is probably a 9 out of a 10. Yeah, probably a 7 out of a 10. Yeah, 7 out of 10. 7 out of 10. 7 out of 10. That's it.